In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in an Adobe Acrobat. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll want a PDF ready to view. I'll use a recent document as an example, but any file will work the same way. The goal here is simply to make the content larger on your screen so it's easier to read or inspect details like fine print, signatures, or small annotations. Once your file is open, bring your attention to the lower right corner of the Acrobat window. This is where Acrobat places the core view tools that control how large or small the document appears. It's a handy spot because it stays consistent while you move through pages. In that corner, look for a magnifying glass icon with a plus sign inside it. That plus sign is your zoom in control. The icon is designed to be straightforward. Plus means increase, so clicking it will enlarge the view of the page. Go ahead and click the magnifying glass with the plus sign. You'll notice the page immediately becomes larger. Each click increases the zoom level in small steps, so you can fine-tune the size until the text looks crisp and comfortable for your eyes. As you click, keep an eye on the zoom percentage indicator nearby. That number tells you exactly how much you've magnified the page, which is helpful if you want to return to the same size later. Many people find that somewhere between 125% and 200% is perfect for reading, but the ideal level depends on your screen and your preferences. As you zoom in, you might need to move around the page to see the area you care about. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bars to navigate. Zooming affects only how large the content appears on your screen. It doesn't change the actual file or its layout, so all formatting remains intact. If you're focusing on a particular section, it can help to position that area near the center of your screen before you click the plus icon. That way, each click brings the exact spot you care about, closer and sharper, saving you extra scrolling. Interface updates can shift little details from time to time, but the zoom in control with the plus sign remains a consistent fixture in the bottom right area of the window. If your window is very narrow, that control may tuck closer together with other view tools, but it will still be there. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, head to the bottom right, find the magnifying glass with the plus sign, and click to zoom in until the content looks just right.